the mirrors, there's nothing behind us anymore. Just keep driving.